What we have here is 2 pounds of grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef that is 85% lean. Dicing up my bacon, I'm gonna be adding it to my grass-fed ground beef. Because the ground beef is 85% lean, you're going to be adding a little bit of that fatty mouthfeel that you like with a good juicy burger. Sugar-free, nitrate-free, hormone-free, humanely raised heritage breed bacon, sometimes known as a pig. In my bowl, I've got 2 pounds of ground beef and 10 ounces of bacon. I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh ground black pepper. If you have a tablespoon handy, feel free to measure. Otherwise, you know, grind until your arms get tired. This is how you handle the beef. Best damn bacon in the world. I've made it out to the grill. We're gonna grill off some grass-fed beef and bacon burgers. I think there is nothing sexier in the world of food than a ground beef bacon burger by ButcherBox. Voila.